Sure, dear students. So let's discuss this DPP6 on polynomials. So now I hope all of you are able to view the screen properly and able to hear my voice also clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now what you need to do here is that we need to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So what do you know x cube minus y cube? If you recall the formula for x cube minus y cube, it is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Correct or not? So what is x cube minus y cube? That is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Correct or not? Now, according to the question, what is given is that xy by yx is equal to minus 1. If we apply this thing, so what we are going to get? So this implies in the denominator LCM will be xy. So we will get x square plus y square is equal to minus 1. Correct or not? Absolutely clear. Then what we are going to get? We are going to get x square plus y square is equal to minus xy. Now that value of minus xy, let's apply here. What we are going to get then? X minus y. So instead of x square plus y square, we write minus xy, and xy is already given, minus xy plus xy, that is equal to 0. Clear or not clear?
So that x squared plus y squared part isn't clear. The last step you did is minus xy plus xy.
Minus,
You substituted the value.
obviously, that's why I draw a long arrow here. That's why I draw a long arrow, x square plus y square equal to minus xy, na? So that value you are applying here in this expression. Where is the difficulty? I don't understand. Please help me.
No, sir. Now I got it. Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Next question, please. Anyone has any doubt in DPP6? We need to go little fast. If it is not,
So,
then
just what are the answers for the ninth one?
ninth one you didn't get.
Sir, I just want to know what the correct answer. I think I got 0.5 out of 1. So I just want to know what the correct
Okay. Thank you. Let me open your answer paper. Question number 5, right?
9.
Oh, 9. Okay. Let me open your 9. No, I have a humble request, Srivali. Henceforth, please send a neat and clean. Oh, anyway, we have discussed last time. You sent before that, na? So it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. So for example, if you look into the first one, the degree of the polynomial is actually 6. That you did correct. What is the coefficient of x cube? You wrote 1. No, it is not 1. Let me pull the question first. Then you will understand why I am saying so. Sorry, let me go to the next page. You wrote the coefficient of x cube is equal to 1, na? Did you open your notebook and could you please confirm that you wrote this thing?
Yes, sir. It should be minus 7 by 2.
No, x cube. Coefficient of x cube should be 1 by 5.
Oh, yes, sir.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
So that's why these marks got deducted. And that second question was that what is the coefficient of x power 6 minus 1? You did correct. And hence you got. And the constant term you wrote 1. Based on what logic you wrote constant term 1? It is 1 by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
And what I really appreciate that you are asking questions. This is very important. Never compromise. This is what exactly I want. You got 0.5. Now you understood why you got 0.5, right? Because out of 4, you got 2 correct, 2 wrong. So, again, I repeat, In the DPP, how much marks is not that important. If your marks is less than 1, you should be worried. Okay. Now, suppose if this question comes in the exam, now we will not have any mistake. No? DPP is must. Without DPP, we should not proceed. That is absolute must. So that's why if we are able to complete all the DPPs, I have some great questions we can discuss next level. So understood this thing, right? So I don't need to copy this thing. Then any other question on DPP 6? All right. Then let me go to DPP 7, dear students. Okay. In the DPP 7,
So in DPP 7, I have a doubt in the sixth one.
okay. Thank you for asking this question. Okay. Definitely we'll discuss. Okay. DPP 7, question number 6, right?
Yes, so like could you tell all the answers?
Oh, sure. Absolutely. Why not? Let me first pull the question. Huh? Okay. That was the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So not only that, I can open your answer paper also at my end so that we can, clearly make sure that where things went wrong. Question number 6. Yes, question number 6. If we see, okay. So verify whether the following are true or false. -3 is a 0 of x minus 3. Do you agree to it? No, it
So
is
it's false, sir.
correct. No?
Yeah.
-1/3 is a 0 of 3x plus 1. That is true. Correct. No?
Yeah.
Because if you apply -1/3, then what you'll get? You will get -1 plus 1. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Then the next one is sorry. The next question is that -4/5 is a 0 of 4 minus 5y.
It's false.
Huh?
False.
It's false. Yes, you did false. And then 0 and 2 are the zeros of t square minus 2t. Do you agree to it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is true. And -3 is a 0 of y square plus y minus 6. So 9 minus 3. Yes, it is true.
So like I've done like the same things. I've got 0.8 out of 1.
Okay, let me open it up. Just a minute. Let me open your uh, question. DPP 7 you are na? Okay. 0.8. Why you got 0.8? Yes, first one is -3 false. Second one is true. -1/3. -4/5 is false. T into are the zeros. True. 5 is -3, -9. Yes, you deserve 1. Okay, I gave you 1. Next one. Yep. Next one, please. Anyone has any doubt in DPP 7? No?
So I have a bit doubt in DP question number 8.
Question number 8. Find the zeros of the polynomial. This question you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's find it out. What are the zeros of this polynomial? So how we can expand? Okay. So first we need to simplify. We can take x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. What is that? There is a formula, by the way. I can write the formula in your own terms. So that is equal to, you can take minus common, x plus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square. Correct now? So we know one thing, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is the formula? That you need to tell me. What is that? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. That is equal to 4ab. That you need to remember. So if we apply this formula here, so what we are going to get? Minus 4 into x into 2. Correct or not? That is equal to minus 8x. Now, what are the zeros of this polynomial? X equal to 0. That means for what value of x, px is 0. Px is 0 for x equal to 0. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Done. Can you proceed to question number, DPP 8, dear students? Could you please say yes, no, what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great then. Let me go to DPP 9 then, DPP 8. Okay. Yes, anyone has any question in DPP 8?
Sir, what is, how do we do the fifth one? What is the answer for the fifth one?
For the fifth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it together. Okay. For the fifth one, this was the question. Huh? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for what value of m, x cube minus 2m into x square plus 16 is divisible by x plus 2. What comes to your mind when you get this question? Suppose let's fx is equal to x cube minus 2m into x square plus 16. Now, if this polynomial fx is divisible by x plus 2, then what we can say from the factor theorem? F of minus 2 should be equal to 0, na? Do you agree to me?
Oh, yes, sir, I got it, sir.
Yeah. So, but we have done this kind of problem, right?
Yes, sir. No, I got it, sir.
Now you can proceed and find the value of m, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Next question, dear student.
So the eighth one.
Eighth one,
Yeah.
yes. X plus
Is the answer minus 10?
okay, I can check it. Just give me a minute. This question you are talking about now, Manishika?
Yes, sir.
This is which question, by the way? This is just a minute.
The eighth one.
Eighth one, na? No, it is not minus 10. It is 2.
So could you explain how it is?
Oh, sure. Why not? Absolutely. It is in the same line what the Srivali was asking that question. If x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, so let us assume this polynomial is fx. Fx equal to a into x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 4a minus 9. Now if x plus 1 is a factor, then from the factor theorem what we can say? F of minus 1 is equal to 0, na? From this statement,
Yeah.
can't we draw this thing?
Yeah.
So this implies what? F of minus 1 is 0. That means instead of x, you should write minus 1. A into minus 1 whole cube. Let me write elaborately. Plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 4a minus 9 equal to 0. All of you agree to me? Manishika, absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
This implies what it becomes. Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1, na? So minus
Yeah.
a plus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Plus 4a minus 9. That is equal to 0. So minus a plus 4a become 3a, and 3a becomes, that is equal to uh, you know uh, 6, correct or not?
Yeah.
And we get a equal to 2.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Absolutely clear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Like I didn't see. I'd missed that 4A.
you missed that 4a.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you can ask this question to yourself, not to anyone else. Why I missed this 4a? I missed this 4a because the concentration was not there. Could be. You can correct me.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe something, not fully focused. See, dear students, I can tell you, all of are knowing everything, almost everything. The difference in that correct or not correct is depends on the degree of the concentration. That is one, and live example of that. And we'll all also learn that how we can really complete all these problems with detailed focus. Otherwise you see this question, or whatever the previous question what Srivali also asked, is that it is based on that factor theorem, isn't it? Very fundamental. Okay, now let's discuss the next problem. Any other problem on DPP 7 before we proceed, dear students?
Oh, sir, can we do the sixth one?
We are working on DPP 8. Sixth one,
I mean, like six sum of the eighth DPP.
that means if x plus 2a is a factor, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sure, why not? Let's do together. In fact, you can also open your notebook and do along with me and all of you. So this is the question, right? If x plus 2a is a factor of x power 5 minus 4a square into x cube plus 2x plus 2a plus 3, find a. Simple thing. Very, very simple thing. Why? Oh, simple thing is, the concept wise. What is our polynomial here? Our polynomial here is fx. And never hesitate to ask me any doubt. What is that? X to the power 5 minus 4a square into x cube plus 2x plus 2a plus 3. That is our polynomial. Now, according to the question, let me use a different color. According to the question, that if x plus 2 is a factor, if x plus 2 is a factor, then what we can write? This implies f of minus 2a is equal to 0, na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if fx equal to this expression, x power 5 minus 4a square x cube plus 2x plus 2a plus 3, and f of minus 2 is equal to 0, from here what we can write? We can write minus 2a power 5, simply, slowly, no step jump. Okay, in the digital board I have difficulty in writing 5 and some. 4 into a square into x cube, that is minus 2a power 3, plus 2 into x, that is minus 2a, plus 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. All we need to do is that from here we need to find the value of a. That's it.
So, sir, is A equal to 3 by 2?
I can check it. I can look into it. It is question number. Yep. A is equal to 3 by 2. Correct.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Any other question from DPPA, dear students? Okay. Shall I proceed to DPP 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's proceed to DPP 9. And if we go to DPP 9, just a minute. Okay. Anyone has any doubt in DPP 9? Dear students, any doubt in DPP 9? Sribali, you?
DPP 9, question number 9, part 2. I
Question.
mean, either 9, I mean, the question number 9,
Hmm?
I've got 0.8. Can you please say which one was wrong?
Oh, sure, absolutely. Question number 9. Why you got 0.8, you are
8.
saying? Okay, sure.
Yes.
Good. This is a very valid question. I appreciate your question. That exactly what is the reason? Let me find it out. It is DPP 9. I can open your answer paper. And you are asking for question number 9. If we look into the question number 9, yeah, there is a reason why I deducted 0.2. I deducted now. Okay, so let me first bring the question. All of you also can notice this thing. These are the scope of improvement we need to learn. Okay. This is the question paper, dear students. Okay. Find the following product. The question is that find the following product. Now, if I bring your answer for the second one, you did something like this. You did very well. This is what you have done, Kalpita,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Then why you wrote x square power 3? You should write x to the power 6 minus 1, isn't it?
Okay, so actually, I thought that we have to write it in that a cube minus b cube formula, so that's why I just kept it as
No, no.
x squared whole to the power 3.
Why you assume that? What leads you to think that you need to express in a q minus bq format? Anywhere in the question is it mentioned that you need to express in a q minus bq format? No. You need to find the following products. And that product you need to give in a very simplified form. Correct, not dear students? That's why I deducted only 0.2. But you did very well, rest of the steps.
Sir, in the ninth one itself, the second one I've got 6 x power 6 minus 1, but then I've got like 0 marks for the question.
Let me work on it. Question number 10 you are talking about?
Ninth one, this one itself.
Ninth one, let me open your notebook. Let me just give me a minute, Manishika. Good point is that now I started recognizing your voice, all of you, without looking into my, online, that meeting. Okay, question number 9 you are talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How much you got?
I got 0.
You got 0. Question number 9. 9 you got 0. Let me have a look into it. Just a minute. Oh, you should not get 0. Just a minute. At least the second part you did correct. And x by 2 plus 2x. So the first part, what you did? First part is not correct, no?
Yes, sir, not the first part, the second part.
Second part you did correct. First part you understood. Where is the mistake? First part is
No.
that a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That means what? A cube plus b cube, isn't it?
Oh.
Because x by 2 plus 2x. So this is what you have done for the first part. Let me
Okay.
open it up here.
Yes, sir.
This is what you opened. This is what you wrote for the first part, no?
Yeah.
So now if you look into it, you know, that x by 2 plus 2y. So 2xy into x by 2 minus 2x. So why you wrote this thing? This is not correct. From this step, how you can come to this step? It is not multiplication, it is addition. Na? If it is multiplication, you could have write this thing.
Oh, oh, okay. Yeah.
But rather you can apply this thing. It's called a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square.
Yeah.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
That formula you could have used, and then it could be simplified. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, but you deserve 0.5 because you made the other question correct, and I increase your marks 0.5, Manishika. Yep. Yes. So now can you proceed to question DPP 10, dear students? Acha, by the way, Sribali, you understood question 1? Sribali?
1 second, sir. Which question?
DPP 9, question 1.
Sir, I'm not sure, but did I do the second one wrong?
No, let's not proceed to second one. My question to you is for the first one. You didn't raise your question, no? You should raise this question that, sir, you explained the first question.
No, sir, I meant the first one that there's like 3 branches, so I meant the first main second question.
Just a minute. Let me understand what you are talking about. Let me open this one. This is the question I am talking about. Correct.
Yes.
Huh.
So I meant I did the second one wrong, right?
Correct. That's why you got the marks for the first and third.
Yes, sir.
But question marks is not important, as I repeat. But you understood where is the mistake in second one. That is the most important part. You want me to explain?
Yes, sir.
So then ask this thing. I was about to move to the next DPP. So please be, little proactive. No, sir, you explain me this one.
Okay, sir.
So, what we should use actually, let me open your notebook, means your answer paper. So, for the first one, what you get is that, 103 power 3, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you did pretty well, means, good. But, in addition, I think it has gone wrong. 1092727, but 1092 didn't provide, no? But you did so well. You did very well, actually. If I say that, as long as the application is concerned, it is fantastic, great.
Oh, I forgot the.
And here you need to think that why you forgot. Because the full focus should be while you are answering a paper, complete focus should be on the answer paper. Complete dedicated focus. You should be concentrating on 3 things: your question paper, your answer paper, and your watch. Apart from this thing, no, nothing else. Should not focus into anything else. This is, you need to practice. I am not here giving the lecture. What I'm saying is that we can practice this thing. Think about me as a teacher. I also deal with so many students, so many answer paper. See how quickly I'm bringing the answer paper. I do not mix up with someone paper with others because I completely focus. Focus is so important. Okay, so please remember this thing. You know addition, you know multiplication, you know how to do power, but despite that, things went wrong because just we missed 1 0. Okay, and that's why these marks got deducted.
Sir.
Okay, and if we look into that 101 into 102, 10302, you did perfectly fine, and 999,998,001. Similarly here, if you look into the third one,
Oh, sir, I missed the 9.
huh? Yeah,
Sir,
yeah, yeah. If you look into this one as well, did you get the point?
yes, sir.
So these are very important thing, yeah? And we are learning. No problem. Mistake happens. Mistake, you missed 0, not 9. In this one, you missed a 0, na? What
Yes,
it will be? 998,001.
yes, sir.
998,001.
Yes, sir.
That it has to be. And in this case, it has to be 1092727. 1092727. So when I say that you need to look into each and every question where your marks is less than 1, you please take it seriously, yeah? Because I should not ask that this which DPP and this one you need to tell. Now, can I proceed to the next DPP, or you have any
So
question?
1 minute, like the
Yes.
10th question, the second part. Could
Hmm?
you just solve that and show?
Yes, absolutely. Why not? And there is a reason why I'm saying so. In the exam, you'll find all these questions are actually coming. So you are talking about the second one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's focus on second one. What it comes, how to proceed. One thing to we understood, it should be a cube and something to b cube. But 2 root 2 is actually how I can express something
Sir,
power.
like while writing the paper, I put just a question mark on the answer sheet, and then
Ah,
I tried it again afterwards. So it's root 2b cube, right? Whole cube.
exactly. So now a cube minus b cube, dear students, a minus b, that means a minus root 2 into b into a square, correct, na? Plus ab, a into root 2 into b, plus b square, that is root 2b whole square, that means 2b square. Done.
Okay.
You can just rearrange a little bit, a minus root 2 into b, and you can write a square plus root 2 into ab plus 2b square. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. Shall we proceed? Could you
Yes,
please explicitly say yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now I'm going to DPP 10.
Sir, can you just show me the third one?
DPP 9?
No, the set 10, DPP 10.
Sure. Let me bring it out. Okay, absolutely. Why not? Uh, which question you said, Sribali?
Sir, the third one.
Third one. Oh, okay, third one. Okay, let me open your notebook as well so that we can make a, you know, perfect discussion. Just give me a minute. It will take a minute to bring your solution here. Oh, third one you have not done. Yeah. Huh, so what? You did correct. You didn't get marks for that?
Sir, you didn't give me any marks.
I'm sorry, my mistake.
Sir, even the fourth one, I think it was the same, but I'm not sure.
No, fourth one you did a mistake. That I will show you.
Okay, sir.
But acha, there is a reason. Okay. Let me bring your. Actually, there is a reason why I didn't give marks for the third one as well. Okay. Let me find it out. Just a minute. Yes, there is a reason actually why I deduct the marks. So if you look into the question and if I bring your solution here, this is your solution, no? Correct, Srivali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is that? You know, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube, if you, you know, if you apply that one, what you are going to get? It should be 3abc, na?
Yes, sir.
Set 10, right?
Yes, sir.
3 into 1 by 2. Oh, just a minute. I think you did correct. Just a minute. Yes, you deserve marks here, and that is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6. That is equal to minus 5 by 12. It is my oversight. You deserve complete marks here. Similarly, 3 into 2 by 10 into this should be minus minus 0.3. This one,
Oh, yes, sir.
this got wrong, but you deserve 0.5.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next question, please, on DPP set 10. Yes, Rivali. Now, if you check, your marks is increased by 0.5. Next one, dear students. No one? No one has any doubt?
Sir, I have one more doubt actually.
In DPP 10?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure, please.
Sir, how do we do the fifth one?
Fifth one? Oh, sure, why not? Let me bring the question here. And let me check your answer as well, what you did for the fifth one. So, oh, acha, fifth one, huh? So, if we look into the fifth one, dear students, is that x cube plus y cube, you know, minus 12xy plus 64. So, what we can write here, if we do the first one, x cube,
Sir,
yeah, please.
sir, actually after checking, I found out that it should cut itself because 12x square minus 12xy is equal to 0, sir. So is that why I didn't get any marks out of 1?
Yes. So, what you did, you wrote 12xy, na?
Yes, sir.
If I bring your answer, you wrote 12xy. Hence, I didn't deep dive. So, how exactly how the problem should be, how this problem should be solved is something like this. Let me do it, and you get the essence of it. And then after that, I will bring your solution also, so that you will understand exactly where is the scope of improvement. X cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. So what is x cube plus y cube, dear students? It is x plus y whole cube. Correct, no? Minus 3xy into x plus y. You may ask, sir, why you write like this? Why you write like this? Answer, if you ask this question, because there are multiple formulas for x cube plus y cube, no? But why you wrote then x plus y whole cube, that version? Because in the question x plus y value is given. So my target should be to express in terms of x plus y. Then what is x plus y? Is minus 4. Minus 4 whole cube minus 3xy, and x plus y is what? Minus 4
Yes, yes, sir.
minus 12xy plus 64. So minus 4 whole cube is what? Minus 64. Minus 3xy into minus 4, that becomes 12xy.
Yes, sir.
Minus 12xy plus 64. So plus 64 minus 64 get cancelled, 12xy minus 12xy get cancelled, and you get 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct, huh? So
So
now,
in this question, we could just take a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right?
oh, that also you can do. Exactly. Yes. Good. Manishika, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you can do that also. Because 64 is 4 whole cube. That also you can, that logic also you can take.
Sir,
Because
that's also what I did, but then I thought I forgot to cancel out the.
hmm. So
I,
if yeah, correct, correct. I appreciate your solution, but the point is that if I get a solution like this, then let me bring it here, and yeah, this was your solution, no?
yes, sir. Actually, I think I took the 3xyz into the other.
Mhm. Correct, correct, exactly. Yes, but Monishika, what you said, that is also very correct. That you can take that AQ plus PQ plus CQ approach. Okay, in the same manner, you can apply for the second part. Correct.
Yes, sir. Okay, I understood, sir.
Okay. Next one, next question, dear students. Anything on DPP 10? You need to explicitly say, no, sir, I don't have any further doubt. Or yes, sir, I have a doubt. Hold on for 5 minutes. I'll wait for 5 minutes. No problem. But this is the homework you should do. That okay, sir has told that I need to look into what question. So in your notebook, you will in one corner page you can write DPP 10 question number 379. I need to ask, so that you should not waste time, because this is a very precious time, because it is 1.5 an hour we are spending. So it should be completely fruitful time. We can use maximum out of it. We should not waste any time here. Shall I proceed? Can you please explicitly say yes? You said, sir, you proceed to DPP.
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, great. I need that answer. This gives me confidence. Otherwise, as if that you have something but you are not asking. You should not be like that. Okay. Now let me go to the last ODPP, that is DPP 11, and please feel free to ask your question, dear students. Sribali, I see that question number 5 and question number 6 you made little mistake. Am I right?
So question number 5, could you like solve it, because it was like I didn't get it at all.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yes,
Absolutely.
sir. Can you do number 5?
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Can you do number 5?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Just a minute. What comes to your mind when you get this question? You know AQ plus BQ plus CQ, all this stuff you know, na? Correct or not? You know what is AQ plus BQ plus CQ? Should that formula can't you apply here? Hello, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Can't you apply that formula? That that AQ plus AQ plus BQ plus C cube is equal to what you know?
A plus B plus C
Yeah.
into A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus BC minus CA.
Correct.
And then if you then plus 3ABC if you just need to find out AQ plus BQ.
Exactly. 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 So how to perform that one? So there are multiple ways you can do it. So let's take the left hand side. Left hand side, if you take, dear students, so it is. Uh, Let me do it elaborately. Just a minute. Let me. Look into this one. I hope you'll understand by your own. Minutely look into it. Any step, if you have any doubt, do let me know. Is it clear, or do you want me to explain, dear students?
Mm.
So could you explain from the user identity AQ plus BQ part?
Yeah,
The
sure. So what we are doing here, dear students, is that um, from the left hand side, we take that a plus b plus c cube minus a cube, we took it, and then whatever the minus b cube minus c cube is there, that we take minus common and b cube plus c cube. Fine. Now, what do you know? We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Exactly this thing we have applied here
yes sir.
by considering a plus b plus c is the one term and a as another term. Manishika, absolutely clear?
Yes, I was clear in this, but I wanted to know like after this, like that using identity
Ach, after,
AQ plus.
after that we are coming to here.
Yeah. Like, okay,
Sorry,
okay.
not this here, this one.
Yeah.
After that, we are coming to this part. Then a plus b plus c minus a, so b plus c.
Yes
Then
sir.
a plus b plus c whole square, what is the formula? Tell me. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, isn't it?
Yes sir.
And again a square is there, a square you wrote. And a into a plus b plus c is a square plus ab plus ac. Dear Manishika, completely understood this part?
Yes, sir.
And then minus of b plus c into b square plus c square minus bc. That we kept as it is. After that, from here we come to the next step. So b plus c we took common, and whatever they are inside, we just made a simplification. What we have done? B square plus c square plus 3a square. Why? Because here is 1 square, here is 1 square, here is 1 square. So 3a square
Yes, sir.
plus 3abc, sorry, 3ab, because here is 1ab, 2ab, here is 1ab, 2ab plus ab, 3ab. Then 2ca plus ac, that is 3ca. Correct, na here?
Yeah.
And then minus of b plus c into b square plus c square minus bc, we multiply and bring it here. So what? Because b plus c took common, na? Here is one b plus c, here is one b plus c. So you
Oh,
took b
okay.
plus c common. And you need to write entire thing. Then what will get? Minus b square minus c square plus 3bc. Why 3bc? Because here is a 2bc, and here minus of minus bc is bc, so 3bc. So we get this one. Dear students, you need to do in your hand. Why I bring this solution here? Because so that we can save little time, but not compromising our understanding, learning. Manishika, absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then what we are getting is that b plus c we took common. Then b square plus c square is get cancelled, because this b square cancelled with this b square, this c square cancelled with this c square. Then what we get? 3a square plus 3ab plus 3bc. So we took 3 common, then we get a square plus ab plus ac plus bc. So this entire 3 we took common outside, so 3 into b plus c in this step. So what I'm saying is that from this step to this step, 3 into b plus c to common. Then from this, what about the 4 terms you are seeing, dear students, here? From the first 2 terms we took a common, then a plus b, and from the last 2 terms we took c common, we get a plus b. Then again from these 2 terms we can take a plus b common, then what we left with? A plus c and a plus b. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely clear by everyone, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Done. This is the way to prove. Then done. Then we rearrange.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Next question, dear students, on DPP 11.
Question number 4, I have doubt.
Yeah, I have seen that question number 4. You made mistake, Kalpita. Let me discuss with you. Great. Thanks for bringing this point. Can I move to the slide to the next one? Absolutely clear. This solution, Manishika.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the question, right? And let's see why things went wrong. If a plus b plus c is equal to 5, and then ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab minus 3abc. Correct? So what we can do here, dear students, is that if you recall that what is the formula for a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? If you
A
just
plus b plus c into
correct.
a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c.
Fantastic. This is a very important formula and you need to remember it. So I'm just writing whatever you said. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to a plus b plus c. We can take common, and then inside the bracket we can write a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So what is a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c is already given 5. Then what we are getting? A square plus b square plus c square minus of ab plus bc plus ca is 10. We get this thing. Kalpita, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
And after that, a square plus b square plus c square can't you express in terms of a plus b plus c and a b b c c a? What is that? What is a plus b? Let me use a different color pen. What is a plus b plus c whole square? Tell me. You tell me. What is a plus b plus c whole square? Please tell me. Huh? That formula you
So
should.
it's a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac.
Very good. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Do you agree to me?
Yes, sir.
From here, what we are going to get? A plus b plus c is what? 5. So 5 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is what? 10. So from here, can't we find the value of a square plus b square plus c square? So we find the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 25 minus 20. That is equal to 5. So this value of 5 we should apply here. That equal to what? 5 into, let me use a different color pen. Kalpita, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So 5 into 5 minus 10. 5 into 5 minus 10 is nothing but minus 25. Hence the proof. Absolutely clear or any doubt?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Dear students, if everything is clear, can you proceed further? Can you all of you
Yes,
please say a yes, big yes?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you very much. All right. So now, dear students, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you some question one by one on polynomial, and I want to see that your so you need to open your notebook. You need to solve that question, and immediately you need to not immediately. You need to take time, and you need to let me know your answer the moment it is done. Once you are done, immediately you need to let me know your answer. Correct? Okay, so you are going to get the question one by one. The first question is in front of you, dear students.
Sir, 1.
Fantastic. All of you got it is one. Dear students.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, all right. Just a minute before I give you the next question. Next question, dear students, is in front of you. You may need some time to solve this particular question. Please take your time and solve it. What happened, dear students?
So 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. What happened?
Sir, I'm getting like x to the power 9 minus y to the power 9 into x to the power 8 plus y to the power 8.
Okay, we will discuss this. What about others?
Sir, just a second.
Okay, okay, okay.
No, sir, I'm not getting it.
Okay, let me work on it. What about Kalpita? What about you?
No, sir. I also can't figure it out.
Okay, let me do it. And all of us will do it together. Okay, so let's see how we can proceed to this question. Just give me a minute, please. Okay, just a minute. So if you look into this particular question, dear students, is that what we see is that x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square into x square plus y square plus xy and x square plus y square minus xy into x power 4 plus y power 4 minus x square y square. Apparently, it looks like a very big term. So, how to proceed with this one is that if we take this entire term, okay, let me write it down. So, it is x minus y. Let me solve it elaborately, and then these are the things you need to develop as time goes by. X minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square into x to the power 4 minus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Correct, not your students? Then by looking into x power x minus y into x plus y, what we can write? We can write, if we make these two terms x minus y and x plus y, we can write that x square minus y square. So we can write x square minus y square.
Sir, is it C?
I'm sorry.
Is it C, the answer?
Correct. It is x to the power 12 minus y to the power 12. I appreciate. Then let me solve it, dear students. Good. Thanks, Manishika. X square plus y square. Then what we get? X square plus y square plus xy. So now I'm writing it written in this way. X square plus y square plus xy. And the next term, that x square minus xy plus y square as x square plus y square minus xy. Correct? And whatever as it is there, that next term x power 4 minus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Then what we are going to get here from the dear students? x square minus y square and x square plus y square, we can again multiply together and apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b. What we are going to get? A square minus b square. Correct, not dear students? So what we are going to get? X power 4 minus y power 4 into, now you look into it dear students, that x plus y square plus xy and x square plus y square minus xy, this you can club together using the same formula what I just said, a plus b into a minus b. Then what we are going to get? We are going to get, if we club together, we are going to get x square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square. And then whatever we get it here, let it keep as it is. X power 4 plus y power 4, x power 4 plus y power 4 minus x square into y square. So now dear students, what we are going to get? We are writing as it is x power 4 minus y power 4. Then x square plus y square whole square. So what we are going to get if we break it up? We are going to get x power 4 plus y power 4, isn't it? X square whole square, it is x power 4 plus y square whole square, y power 4 plus 2x square y square. Correct or not? And minus x square y square. And what we get here, dear students? X power 4 plus y power 4 minus x square into y square. So this is equal to what we are going to get, dear students? X power 4 minus y power 4. Here we are getting, dear students, is x power 4 plus y power 4 plus x square y square plus x square y square. And what we are getting here is that x power 4 plus y power 4 minus x square y square. You are completely getting this point now, all of you. Tribali, Manishika,
Yes, sir.
Kalpita. Okay. So x power 4 minus y power 4. So what we get again, we can, these two terms we can, apply with the formula a plus b into a minus b. What we are going to get? We are going to get that, x power 4 plus y power 4 whole square minus x square into y square whole square. Correct or not? So now what we are going to do, that is equal to, as it is x power 4 minus y power 4, I am writing it here, and then x power 4 plus y power 4 whole square. So what we will get? X power 4 power 2, that is x power 8, plus y power 2, that is y power 8, plus 2 into x to the power 4 into y to the power 4, minus x to the power 4 into y to the power 4. So this is equal to what? X to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 into what we are going to get here, dear students? X to the power 8 plus y to the power 8 plus x to the power 4 into y to the power 4. So now how to further proceed is that x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4, we can write x to the power 8 as x to the power 4 whole square plus x to the power 4 into y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 whole square. So now let's recall that formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, as if a is x power 4 and b is y power 4. So what it will be? A cube minus b cube, correct or not? So x to the power 4 power 3 minus y to the power 4 power 3, that is equal to x to the power 12 minus y to the power 12. And we get the correct option as option C. Absolutely clear.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir, I have a
Yes,
question.
please. Thank you.
So, sir, is it possible that no, sir, in the question, I have a can you just go to the question, sir?
Yes, this is the question. No?
So, sir, can't isn't it possible? Yes, sir. So, sir, isn't it possible that it's like x minus y, and then there's another term which is x squared plus y square, xy plus y squared. So that so if you look at those two together, that will be a minus b into a
Yeah,
squared.
I got it. I got your point. You are telling that I want to club these two together, x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square, right? Yes, you can.
Yes, sir, and even for the other
Then this one,
terms.
yeah. Mathematics, not the only one way you can solve it. You can solve it in multiple ways. Yep, that you can try also. Once our class is done, you can try in that way also. But whatever it is,
I did it that way, but then the answer came
you
wrong.
can send it to me your solution. I can have a look into it once our class is done. But the point, what I'm saying is that, my fundamental point, what I'm mentioning is that, you know, um, you know, the fundamental point is that you need to be consistent on solving this thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's proceed to the next question, dear students. Huh? And we'll also, you know, I hope you'll also enjoy working in this particular question. And here it is. Let me go to the next page. So in DPP, we have achieved a level, and after that, we need to solve this kind of problem. Little bit of challenging question. Here the question is that the expression x power 4 plus 4 can be factorized as the first option x square plus 2x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 2. Second option x square plus 2x plus 2 into x square minus 2x minus 2. Third one is that x square minus 2x minus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 2. And the fourth one is x square plus 2 into x square minus 2. What happened?
So is it the first option?
Correct, you are. It is indeed the first option. Okay, appreciate. So how to proceed that one? Okay, so not only the solution is important here. What is important is that the approach is also equally important. Okay, so how, the moment we get this question, x power 4 plus 4, what comes to our mind? That whatever it is, we need to express in terms of x square, okay, and 2x also. So how we can do this thing? So we can write x power 4 as equal to x square whole square, and 4 is equal to 2 square. So a square plus b square. A square plus b square. What is the formula, dear students? If you recall, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So x square plus 2 whole square minus 2 into a, that is x square, into b, that is 2. So that is equal to x square plus 2 whole square minus 4x square, that means 2x whole square. That is the steps you should be following. You also know these steps. It is not that you do not know. You also know. But why you are not able to apply, few of you, is that you need to think one or two steps ahead little bit. And what are the what drives you to think in that direction is that because I see that there are x square, there are 2x, so I need to definitely we need to approach in this one. Anyway, fourth option to no way possible. X square plus 2 into x square minus 2. That is x power 4 minus 4. It cannot be x power 4 plus 4. Eradicate option D. Option D is not possible. But all the other three options, what is there, dear students, is all about 2x and 2 and x square. So now here what we do is that a square minus b square, that is equal to what? A square, a plus b. I'm sorry.
Sir, there was some network issue, so that's why I had to leave the call.
You need to leave the call now.
No, sir, I had left the call accidentally
Okay, okay. No
a
problem.
little earlier because there were some connectivity issues.
No problem. No issue at all. I will help you to understand. Tell me where you missed out. I'll explain from there. I'm just solving this problem. I think you missed in 2 minutes back, maybe maximum, right? Like that, isn't it? Or
So, sir, I had not gotten answer. I got x plus 2 whole square minus 4x. That's all. 4x square.
okay. So here you see that I provided the solution here. If you see here, and I was just
Yes.
explaining that why I approach like this. The I approach like this because uh, I see that in all these options, apart from option D, there are x square and there are 2x. And I was thinking that how I can bring all these things together. And this is the way, correct or not? Absolutely clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what I'd like to do, I'd like to conclude the class here, dear students. And before I conclude, I would like to give you one small question so that you can think of it. You can think of it and you can send me your solution over WhatsApp. You can take a note of this one. Take a note of this question. Okay, you can take a screenshot or write it down. Okay, and you can let me know your answer over WhatsApp. And we will have our class, next class on Tuesday. And all of you can do one thing. You can send me a message that what are the topics being run in your school as long as this other science subjects are concerned, like physics, chemistry, biology. Okay. Okay, fine then. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.